How many factors for 240? How many factors for 240 are of the form 4k plus 2? How many factors for 240 are of the form 4k plus 2? Prashant, I will take your doubt, right? Factors for 240 are of the form 4k plus 2. See here, 240 is nothing but 16 into 15. 16 is 2 power 4 into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. It is 4k plus 2. 4k plus 2 is nothing but, Harita, for you, 2 into 2k plus 1. Power of 2 is fixed here. Power of 2 is fixed here. So in 2 power 4, I should fix 2 power 1. Remaining is nothing but 2k plus 1. 2k plus 1 is nothing but odd number of factors. 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 5 power 0, 5 power 1. These odd factors are getting multiplied by 2 and giving you 4k plus 2. This is nothing but 2 into 2. Answer is nothing but 4. Answer is nothing but 4. Harita, I hope it is clear, right? Prashant, what I am saying and what you are saying, both are same, right? I will explain once again. I don't think that you have understood the point. Answer for this question is 4. 2 into 2, it is 4. I will take up Prashant's doubt. Harita, I hope it is clear to you. Sandhya, I hope it is clear to you, right? Next one. Prashant, this is for you. This is nothing but 2 cube into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. This is 4k plus 1, I am doing it. 4k plus 1. 4 is an even number. Even number plus 1, it is an odd number. That means answer should be an odd factor. These 2 cube is out. 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 5 power 0, 5 power 1. What are all the odd factors we got? 3 power 0 into 5 power 0, 3 power 0 into 5 power 1, 3 power 1 into 5 power 0, 3 into 5. This is 1. 1 is of the form 4 into 0 plus 1. This is again 5. 5 is when divided by 4, remainder 1. This is of the form 3. This is of the form 15. Now you only tell me how many factors are when divided by 4, it gives a remainder 1. One case. 5 when divided by 4, it gives a remainder 1. Another case. I hope it is clear. These 3. This is 3. This is 3. 4k plus 3. So totally how many cases I got? 2 cases I got. I hope the idea is clear. Kindly reply in the live chat if this concept is clear. Praveen, I hope it is clear. Kindly reply in the live chat if this concept is clear. Factors and multiples. Factors and multiples. Factors and multiples, session number 3. Session number 3. Session number 3. I hope it is clear. If something is a valid doubt, I will tell the student's name and I will take it in the class. Right? Everybody kindly reply in the live chat. Factors and multiples, one time entire concepts, it should be clear to you. It should be clear to you. Balaji says for 240. For 240, what we got, Balaji? 240 is 2 power 4 into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. Balaji asks a question. Answer is 16. How it can be 16? Factors which are of the form 4k plus 2 is 2 into 2k plus 1. 2 is fixed. This is out. 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 5 power 0, 5 power 1. Answer is 4, Balaji. Everybody clear, right? Everybody clear. Right. Now, Idea is clear? Now, another question. Another questions. One time if you listen, you will realize generally solving 2 or 3 problems, you will think this is factors and multiples. Teacher will tell in how and everything and say this topic is over. I don't teach like this. I will go to 100 feet down so that you will feel extremely confident that number system kuch bhi question de do, I can take it out. That confidence, if you want, you should definitely be a part of my online course. And next one, another question. Number is 120. 120, which is 2 cube into 3 into 5 power 1. What is the other questions? 5k. 5k plus 1. 6k plus 1. Now my job becomes easy. After this you can start creating your own questions because you have understood the method of solving this question. Factors which are divisible by 5k, which when divided by 5 gives a remainder 1, which when divided by 6 gives a remainder 1. Now see here, 6k plus 1, 6 is an even number. Even plus 1, it should be an odd factor. It should be an odd factor. When it is an odd factor, n is 2 cube into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. It is an odd factor, so power of 2 is eliminated. Power of 2 is eliminated. Now 6 is nothing but 2 into 3. This is divisible by 3 plus 1. That means answer is not divisible by 3. 6k is divisible by 3 plus 1. Answer is not divisible by 3. 5 power 1. 5 power 1, right? 5 power 1 is 5 power 0 and 5 power 1. 2 factors. 5 power 0 is 1. 5 when divided by 6, it gives a remainder minus 1. I want 6k plus 1. Answer for this question is 1. Answer for this question is 1. Right? I hope it is clear. Do not give answers. Just listen to me. Just listen to me. Where all you can do silly mistakes also, I will come to know. Right? Trust my 15 years experience. You will come to know why in southern part of India, my classroom has 3,000, 4,000 students sitting in my class. And students travel 400, 500 kilometers to listen to the class. To reach entire India is shifted to online. Factors which are divisible by 5. 5 into 2 power 3 into 3 power 1. These are multiplied by 5. Answer is 4 into 2, which is 8. 4 into 2, which is 8. I hope it is clear, Praveen. 4 into 2, it is 8. Praveen, right? 5k plus 1, please try to solve. 5k plus 1, my students are going to solve the question and tell the answer. Please try to solve. 5k plus 1. 5k plus 1. 5k plus 1. 5k plus 1 is not divisible by 5. Try to solve it on your own. Now you have understood the approach. I want each and every student who is watching my live class to completely focus on the content. Our live classes are completely different from others' live classes, driven by concept, solved with examples, clarified with fundamentals. Clarified with fundamentals. Some teachers will teach basics, some teachers will solve and everything. Our class is a thematic based learning. Thematic based learning. Everything is conceptual. No gossips, no entertainments, no nothing except academics. Factors when divided by 5, it gives a remainder 1. What is the answer? I am waiting for the answer. I am waiting for the answer. Why you are taking so much time to solve when you have understood the concept? 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 1. What we should divide? We should divide this number by 5. 1 divided by 5, 1. 2 divided by 5, it is 2. 4 divided by 5, it is minus 1. 8 divided by 5, 8 divided by 5, which is minus 2. 1 divided by 5, 1. 3 divided by 5, minus 2. I want 1. 1 means 1 into 1 is 1 case, minus 2 into minus 2, sorry. 1 into 1 case or minus 2 into 2. Minus 4 is giving remainder 1. 1 into 1, 1 we got. 1 into 1. 2 into minus 2. Second case we got. Third case, 1 into 1 ones are 1, 1 into minus 2, minus 2. 2 into 1, 2, 2 into minus 2, minus 4. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 2, 2. Minus 2 into 1. Next case, minus 2 into minus 2. I hope it is clear, right? I got 2 cases. I got 2 cases. Don't miss the counting. Don't miss the counting. I hope it is clear. This logic is clear to you. Be careful while counting the numbers. 5k, 5k plus 1. Similarly, 5k plus 2, 5k plus 3. I am sure my students can solve it because they have understood the concept. Is key point 1 clear to you? Kindly reply it in the live chat. If I do any calculation mistake, please take care of the calculation mistake. Take care of the calculation mistake. I hope the idea is clear. Everybody clear, right? 1 into 1 minus 2 into 2. Minus 2 into 2. Minus 2 into 2. 2 cases, start counting it. Can I go to key point number 2? Can I go to key point number 2? Kindly reply in the live chat. Key point 1. I hope it is clear. Key point 1. I hope it is clear. Everybody clear. Everybody clear. After some days, the notes what you are writing in your class, everybody will ask for that notes. I can say it with confidence. My notes is extremely popular. 1. Right? Rachana, I will explain it for you. Right? Rachana, try to learn on your own ma. Too much of spoon feeding I generally don't like to give because I believe that you can do it on your own. 5k plus 1. 5k plus 1 means it is not divisible by 5. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. 3 power 0, 3 power 1. 1 divided by 5, 1. 2 divided by 5, 2. 4 divided by 5, minus 1. 8 divided by 3, minus 2. 1 divided by 5, 1. 3 divided by 5, minus 2. So total, to get 1, 1 into 1 is 1 case and minus 2 into 2 is another case. Only 2 cases are possible. So 2 power 0 into 3 power 0, 1 case. And the next case is minus 2 into 2. 2 power 1 into 3 power 1. Any other case I am getting? No other case I am getting. I hope it is clear. Key point 1, it is clear. Please write down key point number 2. Key point number 2. Another interesting approach. Key point number 2. Key point number 2. Please write down. How many factors for 120 are divisible by 6 but not by 12? But not by 12. How many factors for 120 are divisible by 6 but not by 12? First problem. I will do 3 to 4 problems. Key point 2. Second variety of the questions. Second variety of the questions. How many factors for 120 are divisible by 2 but not by 12? Right? Now see here. Solution. Listen carefully, sir. How directly I am writing. 120 is nothing but 8 into 15. 8 is 2 cube. 15 is 3 into 5. 3 into 5. 120 is 8 into 15, which is 2 cube into 3 into 5. Number should be divisible by 6. Number should be divisible by 6, but not by 12. 6 is nothing but 2 into 3. 12 is nothing but 2 square into 3. The number should not be divisible by 2. It should not be of the form 2 square into 3. So it should be divisible by 2. So 2 power 1 should be there. This can be 3 power k plus 1 into, there is no restriction on 5. 5 power 0, 5 power 1. Now see here. Listen carefully, what am I doing? It should not be divisible by 12. Because it is not divisible by 12, 2 square should not be there. 2 square should not be there. 2 square should not be there. That is the reason I wrote 2 power 1. Into 3 power k plus 1. 3 and 3 is common. So it can start with 3 power 1. There is no restriction on 5. 5 power 0, 5 power 1. So 2 power 1 should be there. Only 3 power 1 into 5 power 0 or 5 power 1. Answer for this question is 2. Answer for this question is 2. A factor which is divisible by 6 but not by 12. 12 means it is 2 square into 3. Because it is not divisible by 12, power of 2 cannot be 2 square. It has to be 2 power 1. It is divisible by 6. For it to be divisible by 6, minimum power of 3 should be 3 power 1. So it is of the form 3 power k plus 1. There is no restriction on 5. So it is 5 power 0 into 5 power 1. If you see, 2 into 3 is 6. 6 is divisible by 6. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 5 is 30. 30 is divisible by 6 but not by 12. 2 more questions which we will solve, then the idea will be extremely clear to you. I hope it is clear. Next one. Next one. I hope it is clear. Second one. After second one, you can ask me any doubts. N is nothing but 2 power 4 into 3 square into 3 square into 3 square into 5 power 3. How many factors for n? How many factors for n are divisible by 50 but not by 100? How many factors for n are divisible by 50 but not by 100? Second question. Are not divisible by 3. Mahesh, I will solve one more question, then it will be clear to you. How many factors for n are divisible by 50 but not by 100? 50 is nothing but 5 square into 2 power 1. It is not divisible by 100. So 5 square into 2 square. It should not have 5 square into 2 square. To get 50, 2 power 1 should be there. It cannot be 2 square. If it becomes 2 square, 5 power, where it is starting from 2. So it is 5 power 2 plus k. There is no restriction on 3. It can take 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2. 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2. So it is k value can be 0 or 1. So it is nothing but 2 power 1 into 5 square 5 cube. 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2. Answer is 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6. Answer for this question is 6. Again, please understand it clearly. It is not divisible by 100. 100 is 5 square into 2 square. Minimum power of 5 cannot be 2. Minimum power of 2 cannot be 2. To get 50, definitely it should be 2 into 5 square. Definitely it should be 2 into 5 square. These two cannot take 2. This can take any other higher powers. There is no restriction on 3. So 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2. Multiply any number, you will realize 2 into 25 is 50. 50 ones are 50. 2 into 25 is 50. 53s are 150. 150 is divisible by 50. 2 into 25 is 50. 59s are 450. 450 is divisible by 450 is divisible by 50, but not by 100. You take any number. Because in 100, minimum power of 2 should not be 2. I kept myself power of 2 as only 1. The minute when I make it 2 square, entire number will be divisible by 100. It should not be divisible by. It should not be divisible by 100. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. Listen carefully to every question. I hope this concept is clear. I hope this concept is clear. 2 power 1. One more question which we will solve. One more question which we will solve. N equivalent to 3 power 4 into 5 power 6 into 7 square factors which are divisible by 45, factors which are divisible by 45 but not by 225, but not by 225. You will understand this idea. Key point 3 is very interesting. Factors which are divisible by 45. 45 is nothing but 3 square into 5 power 1. But not by 225. 225 is 3 square into 5 square. 25 nines are 225. 5 square should not be there. 5 square should not be there. So it is 3 square into 5 power 1 plus k. Can I write like this? 5 power 1 plus k. Tell me whether I can write like this. Whether I can write like this. I cannot write like this. Because if k is 1, 5 square is 25. 25 into 9 is 225. 25 into 9 is 225. This cannot be. This cannot be. I hope it is clear, right? Because it will become 225. So what I should write is 5 power 1 into 3 power 2 plus k into, there is no restriction on 7. 7 power 0, 7 power 1 and 7 power 2. 5 power 1 into 3 power 2 plus k. I hope you got the idea. The minute when I take 5 square into 3 square, it will become 225. 3 square, that means here it can be 3 square, 3 cube, 3 power 4. There is no restriction, there is 5 power 1, there is a restriction, into 7 power 0, 7 power 1, 7 power 2. 3 3s are 9. Total answer is 9 ways. Total answer is 9 ways. Total answer is 9 ways. I hope it is clear. 5 power 1 into 3 power 2 plus k. 3 power 2 plus k. 3 power 2 plus k. 3 square, 3 cube, 3 power 4. 3 square, 3 cube, 3 power 4. There is no restriction on 7. 7 power 0, 7 power 1 and 7 power 2. I hope it is clear. 3 into 3. Answer is 9 ways. Answer is 9 ways. Key point number 2. I hope it is clear. Kindly reply it in the live chat if it is clear to you. If it is clear to you, please write down. Right? Please write down. Any discussion other than non-academics, if I see it in live chat, the only thing which I will do is to block you. As simple as that. There is no other discussion. If I block you once, you cannot watch any other videos of mine. I plan to take minimum 200 hours of updated YouTube live classes. You want to miss this content? Please write whatever you want to write. It became a habit for people to write whatever they want. Everything it is clear. Key point 2, it is clear. Key point 3, please write down. Key point 3, no hesitation, I will block you. I am a teacher who teaches. I earn my livelihood by taking classes. I earn my livelihood by writing books. I earn my livelihood and take care of all my employees to reach the next level through my skill set, right? Key point number 3, another beautiful approach. Please write down, sir. Key point number 3. Key point number 3. Yesterday we discussed only one point. Now we will discuss clear. Key point 3. Venkateshwari, you try it on your own. Develop the solution. Send the image to our WhatsApp number. Then I will correct you where you did wrong. That is the best way for you to learn it. Right? Next one. Key point number 3. Key point number 3. Please write down. Key point number 3. Extremely important. We are going to spend minimum 20 minutes on this topic. Minimum 20 minutes on this topic. Yesterday we discussed, do not miss any class of mine. Number of ways of writing a number. Number of ways of writing a number as a product of two factors. Yesterday, multiple concepts which we discussed. I will repeat that concept so that that becomes a foundation for our key point 3. If it is an ordered pair, if it is an ordered pair, answer is number of factors. If it is an ordered pair, it is a number of factors. When to use ordered pair? If variables are present in this question. If variables are present in this question. If it is an unordered pair, if it is an unordered pair, here also it is an unordered pair. Yesterday I told this point, I am repeating it. If a number is a non-perfect square, if a number is a non-perfect square, it is number of factors plus 1 divided by 2. We discussed it with an example. If it is a perfect square, if it is a perfect square, two cases. Number of factors minus 1 by 2 and number of factors plus 1 by 2. Number of factors minus 1 by 2, number of factors plus 1 by 2. This is excluding root n into root n. This is including root n into root n. I hope you all know this concept. As almost half an hour to 40 minutes we have discussed. We have discussed. Praveen, is the sound too low? Rishav is saying sound is too low. Sound is too low. Do you all agree? Other students? Kindly reply in the live chat. Is the sound too low? Is the sound too low? Are you unable to hear me? Kindly reply. Session number 3 on factors and multiples. Is the sound clear so that I can proceed? Number of ways of writing a number as a product of two factors. Ordered pair, it is number of factors. Unordered pair, it is non-perfect square, number of factors plus 1. If it is a perfect square, depend. Right? Examples. Then I will get into my next level of concept. Example. Please write down. Please write down these example. Example 1 and example 2. What is the difference between these two examples? X into y equivalent to 120. XY are natural numbers. How many values XY will take? This question, in how many ways can 120 be written? Can 120 be written as a product of two natural numbers? As a product of two natural numbers. Write down these two questions, otherwise a small mistake you will do it. Otherwise, small mistake which will do it. Right? Now, see here. Listen carefully. First think, variables are present in this question. If variables are present in this question, it is an ordered pair. It is an ordered pair. If it is an ordered pair, it is nothing but a number of factors. It is nothing but a number of factors. 120 is 2 cube into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. Total number of factors is 4 into 2 into 2, 16. This is 16. If variables are present in the question, then it is an ordered pair. Then it is an ordered pair. Here variables are not present in the question. Variables are not present in the question. If variables are not present in the question, then it is an unordered pair. Then it is an unordered pair. 120 is nothing but 2 cube into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. It is, and the number is a non-perfect square. And the number is a non-perfect square. And the number is a non-perfect square. So answer is number of factors by 2. Number of factors by 2. 16 by 2. Answer is nothing but 8. Answer is nothing but 8. To all the students who are listening for the first time, if variables are present in the question, it is an ordered pair. If the variables are not present in the question, then it is an unordered pair. Variables are present in the question, ordered pair. Variables are not present in the question, then it is an unordered pair. Otherwise, you will start mistaking when to use ordered pair and when not to use ordered pair. Preliminary example we discussed in the previous class. Next one, please write down. Please write down example 3. I wanted to do example 3. For that, I require the foundation of example 1 and 2. Example 3. Example 1 and example 2. Basic definition. Example 3.